Okay, good morning, everybody. So this is how you back up your files to some sort of a cloud-based solution. So I'm on my desktop. I'm going to do Command H for home. Sorry, Shift Command H from home. If you don't want to do all that, you could just go to Go and Home, just like ET. All right, so this is your home. So this is like your local file right here. And these are your main folders. So let's say that I want to back up my desktop, my documents, and my downloads. Okay, so I've selected those three. If you press Command when you click on something, that's how you would select multiple. So I could do, and I could skip around too. If I want to select all of them, I could just click and drag. I could do Command A to select all two. Or you could do it one at a time if that is more your speed. So again, we'll do desktop, documents, downloads, brought to you by the letter D. All right. I'm going to right click on those three selected folders. I'm now realizing most of you are going to be using a MacBook. So instead of right clicking, I'm going to hold down on the Control key and click on them. Holding down on Control is the Apple version of right clicking. So doing that brought up this menu, and then I'm going to do Make Alias. What that is that's basically making a copy of those three file folders, and you could do whatever you want with them. Whatever goes into these folders will also go into the alias folders. Okay, so now I've got desktop alias, I've got documents alias, and I've got downloads alias. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these three and I'm going to drag them into the iCloud drive that's over here on the sidebar. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you've got iCloud drive here. So if I do that, I'm going to duplicate some of my work because I did that before. But if you go into your iCloud drive, desktop alias, downloads alias. I didn't bring my documents alias over because there's not a whole lot of documents in there that I need. In order to do this, though, you need to make sure that you are signed into your MacBook using your CMSD Apple ID. So again, if you're using your CMSD one, it'll be CMSD email, CMSD password. I don't use my CMSD one just because I want to keep all of my stuff should my employment with CMSD ever end. I don't want to lose any of the stuff that I've been doing here. So I just use my personal one. That is a choice up to you, though. If you want to use Google Drive instead of iCloud, you can do that. There's an app that needs to be downloaded. So most of my stuff is in Google Drive. I just did iCloud Drive on this one because it's easiest and it happens automatically when you're backing up with CMSD. I would not even begin to know how to do a OneDrive download. There's probably an app that you can download for that, or you could probably go in through your Waffle. SharePoint, and then probably do some clicking and dragging. I'm not 100% sure on that. Using a Microsoft product with a Apple product tends to not go so well, as we've noticed this year. So for me, the easiest thing to do is just use your iCloud because it's built right in there. You do not have to download anything. You don't have to link any apps or sign in with any other passwords. It just kind of happens. That is my best advice. If you have any questions, let me know. If you do want to do Google Drive, I can certainly help you with that step by step. If you really want to use the SharePoint and your Microsoft OneDrive, I will begrudgingly do some research and figure out how to make that happen for you. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.